Welcome to Jyoti Kids Zone. Hello kids, today we learn to vowels. There are 5 types of vowels. A, E, I, O, U. First we learn sound of vowel A. D, A, Y, day. S, A, Y, say. W, A, Y, way. L, A, Y, lay. M, A, Y, may. B, A, R, bar. C, A, R, car. F, A, R, far. J, A, R, jar. W, A, R, war. B, A, L, L, ball. C, A, L, L, call. F, A, L, L, fall. T, A, L, L, tall. W, A, L, L, wall. W, A, K, E, wake. B, A, K, E, bake. F, A, K, E, fake. T, A, K, E, take. M, A, K, E, make. M, A, I, L, mail. S, A, I, L, sail. F, A, I, L, fail. T, A, I, L, tail. H, A, I, L, hail. Sound of vowel. E. P, E, N, pen. H, E, N, hen. M, E, N, men. T, E, N, ten. Z, E, N, zen. M, E, T, met. W, E, T, wet. L, E, T, let. G, E, T, get. B, E, T, bet. S, E, L, L, sell. F, E, L, L, fell. H, E, L, L, hell. T, E, L, L, tell. W, E, L, L, well. B, E, E, P, beep. D, E, E, P deep. K, E, E, P, keep. W, E, E, P, weep. S, H, E, E, P, sheep. H, E, A, R, here. N, E, A, R, near. F, E, A, R, fear. B, E, A, R, bear. D, E, A, R, deer. Sound of vowel. I. F, I, N, fiend. B, I, N, bin. S, I, N, sin. T, I, N, tin. W, I, N, win. D, I, P, dip. H, I, P, hip. Z, I, P, zip. T, I, P, tip. S, I, P, sip. B-I-L-L, bill. F-I-L-L, fill. M-I-L-L, mill. T-I-L-L, till. W-I-L-L, will. N-I-C-E, nice. M-I-C-E, mice. R-I-C-E, rice. D-I-N-G, ding. K-I-N-G, king. R-I-N-G, ring. D-I-S-H, dish. W-I-S-H, wish. F-I-G-H-T, fight. R-I-G-H-T, right. Sound of vowel O. H-O-W, how. N-O-W, now. S-O-W, so. R-O-W, row. L-O-W, low. F-O-G, fog. L-O-G, log. O-X, ox. B-O-X, box. F-O-X, fox. C-O-O-K, cook. L-O-O-K, look. B-O-O-N, boon. N-O-O-N, noon. R-O-O-M, room. Z-O-O-M, zoom. G-R-O-O-M, groom. D-O-S-E, doze. N-O-S-E, nose. P-O-S-E, pose. D-O-W-N, down. G-O-W-N, gown. T-O-W-N, town. B-R-O-W-N, brown. Sound of vowel U. B-U-N, bun. F-U-N, fun. N-U-N, none. R-U-N, run. S-U-N, sun. B-U-T, but. C-U-T, cut. P-U-T, put. N-U-T, nut. B-U-L-L, bull. F-U-L-L, full. P-U-L-L, pull. J-U-G, jug. B-U-G, bug. H-U-G, hug. C-L-U-E, clue. F-L-U-E, flew. H-O-U-S-E, house. L-O-U-S-E, louse. L-U-C-K, luck. T-U-C-K, duck. C O U L D, could. S H O U L D, should. W O U L D, would. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.